Okay guys, the TV is in the background, but I finally got some M-style mirror caps for my G3540i. Let's see. Oh yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and install these today. This carbon fiber weave came out extremely nice all around. Cool. We are gonna go ahead and get to the install portion. But yep, these are $29 on Amazon. That is the weave. I think it's clean. Okay guys, so this is the tools I'm gonna be using. Flathead, a couple pins. Kind of hard to see, but these clips right here, one there and one there. That's gonna be in here, one here, and one here. Okay guys, so we're gonna look right there. That clip right there. That clip and this clip. Like I said, I have the mirror tilted all the way down to expose these clips. Super simple. It took like 1 minute each side. Boom, boom. You just lift this bottom piece up and this bottom piece down. Like I said, they're just literally latching onto these. Okay. And then all we're gonna do is we're gonna move this thing right here and that one right here, and it'll slide right out. And as you can see, it's pushed out by those pins. You just have to push those out, and same goes with this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, for the people that are technical, a T10 if it's just right on this. Boom. So if you want to be technical, it is a T10, and you can get it at any Walmart you need. So, yep. Okay, I'm already installed. So, as you can tell, I broke that piece, but it doesn't really matter. That piece is on this one, not on the original. The only thing that holds this actual light down is these 2 screws. That is the only one that'll hold them down properly, and it's fitted rightly. And then you just want to come around. How you know if it's fitted is there's no gap, and that's the light. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on, and then I'll show you how it looks in the end. Okay guys, right side's done. I would say installation, like without recording or anything, 10 minutes tops, but you didn't have to force anything. The clips clipped in as they should. I didn't have to press anything down, but yep, looks a lot better.